A groundbreaking 2023 study reveals compelling evidence that omega-3 fatty acids may significantly protect our brains from Alzheimer's disease. As our population ages, finding effective preventive measures becomes increasingly crucial. Could the answer be as simple as what we eat? This powerful new research combines 3 different lines of evidence to establish the connection between omega-3 fatty acids and brain health. Scientists have long considered omega-3 fatty acids as top candidates for brain protective nutrients. This study provides the most comprehensive evidence to date. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies cannot efficiently produce on their own. We must obtain them through our diet or supplements. For brain health, 2 specific types are particularly important: DHA and EPA. Think of these compounds as the maintenance crew for your brain's structure and neural connections. Researchers analyzed data from the Alzheimer's Disease Neuroimaging Initiative, a massive, well-designed longitudinal study that followed over 1,000 initially dementia-free participants with an average age of 73. For up to 6 years, the study examined 2 key questions. Were participants taking omega-3 supplements, and did they develop Alzheimer's disease? The most striking finding: participants who consistently took omega-3 supplements for 10 years or more saw their risk of developing Alzheimer's reduced by nearly 2/3. This dramatic difference highlights consistency as a crucial factor. To examine the effects of dietary omega-3 intake, researchers conducted a comprehensive meta-analysis combining data from 71 different studies following more than 100,000 people over time. This massive sample size allowed researchers to identify patterns with high confidence and determine whether natural dietary sources of omega-3s could provide brain protection. The meta-analysis revealed that higher intake of omega-3s from diet alone was associated with a 20% lower risk of cognitive decline or developing dementia. This provides powerful evidence that dietary choices can significantly impact brain health over time. When researchers dug deeper into the data, they discovered that one specific type of omega-3 fatty acid stood out: DHA. Across all studies, DHA consistently showed the strongest protective effect against cognitive decline. For every 1 gram increase in daily DHA intake, cognitive decline risk dropped by 8%. The third pillar of evidence came from objective biological measurements within the body itself. Researchers examined omega-3 levels in erythrocytes, providing a long-term record of omega-3 status over several years. Unlike dietary questionnaires, these objective biological measures offer a reliable picture of omega-3 absorption and retention. The analysis found a clear and significant link. Higher levels of DHA stored long-term in red blood cells correlated with lower risk of cognitive decline. This wasn't just about what people reported eating. It was objective proof written into their biology, confirming the protective relationship between omega-3s and brain health. The evidence suggests that consistent, long-term intake of omega-3 fatty acids could be a powerful tool for protecting our brains against cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Consistency is everything, and getting enough omega-3s, especially DHA, from food is associated with approximately 20% lower risk of cognitive decline. There is no single definitive guideline for optimal omega-3 intake. However, research suggests a total intake should be at least 1,000 milligrams daily, and up to 2,000 milligrams daily may be beneficial for brain health. Some evidence suggests up to 3,000 milligrams may help lower blood pressure in certain individuals. Always consult your healthcare provider about your individual needs. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources of DHA and EPA. Dikia. Aim to eat fatty fish twice weekly. Walnuts provide a good plant-based source of ALA, which the body can convert to DHA and EPA in limited amounts. Flax seeds, rich in ALA, are another excellent plant-based option for vegetarians and vegans. Fish oil is the most common and widely available form of omega-3 supplementation. Look for products that specify DHA and EPA content. Algal oil, derived from algae, is an excellent vegetarian vegan option that provides DHA directly without requiring conversion. Krill oil contains the same omega-3s as fish oil, but in a different form that some research suggests may be more bioavailable. Krill oil also contains the powerful antioxidant astaxanthin. Higher doses of omega-3s may increase bleeding risk in some individuals, particularly those on blood thinners. Always discuss your individual situation with healthcare providers before starting any supplement regimen. Choose supplements from reputable manufacturers that test for contaminants like heavy metals. The Alzheimer's Disease Neuroimaging Initiative provided crucial data for the supplement portion of this research. This ongoing initiative tracks participants over many years, collects comprehensive data on cognitive function, uses advanced brain imaging techniques, and analyzes biological markers. This robust methodology allows researchers to establish strong connections between interventions like omega-3 supplementation and outcomes like Alzheimer's risk. The dietary portion of this research used meta-analysis, a powerful statistical technique that combines results from multiple studies to identify patterns with greater confidence. Individual studies, combined analysis, pattern detection, and stronger conclusions all contribute to more reliable results due to larger sample size. DHA emerged as the most protective form of omega-3 in this research. It constitutes up to 20% of the brain's total fatty acid content, is a major structural component of neuronal membranes, and helps maintain membrane fluidity, which is crucial for neurotransmission. It has anti-inflammatory properties that may protect against neurodegeneration. One of the most striking findings from this research was the dramatic difference in protection based on supplementation duration. Long-term use provides over 4 times more protection than medium-term use. This suggests that brain protection is cumulative and highlights the importance of starting early and maintaining consistency. The study's use of red blood cell analysis provides particularly compelling evidence because it measures what's actually in your body, not just what you report eating. It reflects average intake over 2 to 3 months, not just recent consumption, and accounts for individual differences in absorption and metabolism. It's less subject to recall bias than dietary questionnaires. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for our health, and they come from various sources. Marine sources like salmon and mackerel are rich in DHA and EPA, but they may not be suitable for vegetarians. Plant sources such as walnuts and flax seeds offer ALA, which needs conversion to DHA-EPA, making them less efficient. Algal sources provide a sustainable and vegetarian-friendly option, though they can be more expensive. Incorporating omega-3s into your diet can be done through dietary and supplement strategies. Aim for fatty fish twice a week and use oils rich in omega-3s for dressings. Supplements should provide 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily, and it's important to set up systems to ensure consistent intake. Proper storage of supplements is also crucial for their effectiveness. Omega-3s offer benefits beyond Alzheimer's prevention. They can improve cardiovascular health by reducing triglycerides and lowering blood pressure. Joint health may also benefit from their anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, omega-3s support eye health and may aid mental health by reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Starting omega-3 supplementation early can provide greater protection against cognitive decline. Consistency is key, as long-term use significantly enhances the benefits. Personalizing your approach with healthcare providers ensures you get the right sources and amounts tailored to your needs. In summary, omega-3s are a powerful tool for brain protection. Long-term supplementation is linked to a significant reduction in Alzheimer's risk. Higher daily intake of DHA is associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline. It's important to aim for a daily intake of 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams and consult healthcare providers for personalized advice.